Yesterday, went to Florida Bus Line's ticketing office and bought a one-way trip ticket to Pagudpud. And tonight is our scheduled trip. But before anything else, let me introduce to you to my traveling companion, my strong and black coffee. This will help me carry on and stand one's ground for this long haul. We have to endure each other's companionship for almost 600 kilometers from NCR bus station to South Beach, Pagudpud. Recently, restrictions for travel are eased in some local government units, and they only required me of my COVID vaccination ID aside from my government ID and my confirmed booking. And here she goes. Are we ready? We're here in the bus station. And for those of you who are planning northbound, I will be showing you a whiteboard. This is their trip schedules, but this may vary from time to time. Please check often with them. Our trip is scheduled at 9:30 p.m. and they said this is a point A to point B trip only. So the bus has its own washroom if you want to, and it's boarding time. We remember in our elementary years that we have this roll call if someone is absent or late. It's like that. Although this is a point-to-point trip, we stopped one time in this area near Philippine Arena. They loaded some baggages. I think this one's of the NLEX Toll Plaza near Bulacan. It's past 11 o'clock at night that I started to feel sleepy and forgot the journey. Around 3 a.m., I was awakened by the squeaking sound of the bus's luggage compartment. We were at the Ilocos Sur's checkpoint. My mind says it's still early, so I slept again. And around 6 in the morning, I saw, oh my gosh, it's a different landscape. I didn't know which place was this. Maybe it's still in Ilocos Sur because there's no signages, no arches which indicates names of the place. So I presume let's continue. 40 minutes later, OMG, this is already Ilocos Norte. We started already moving towards our destination. Just a bit, the bus moved, but it's clear that I'm already here in Pagudpud, but not yet there. Few minutes later, I embarked a tricycle for 70 pesos from Pagudpud's Florida Bus Terminal to South Beach Resort. He is Kuya Nico. I tried to zoom in his contact details and I contacted him the following day for the different tours. As a newcomer of the place, I used an application Waze. I tried to monitor everything, how far, how many minutes, the distance, even the meters. Oh my gosh, I'm already here. A bit tired from the long haul, but I'm so lucky that my homestay has a small restaurant. I had a chance to order their Ilocano specialty dinding. And of course, I have my own boiled egg with me. It's a bit of a disaster, but I ate them all. This is Sabrina, the homestay that I got on Facebook. This is their menu, and you can pause and zoom if you want. They also have with their corresponding prices with it. If you want, they have a public Facebook page. You can give them some follow and like. And the following day, I contacted Kuya Nico and we started our journey. But before that, I will give you my first sunrise in Pagudpud. My very first time in the north also. Traveling alone is so much fun. Subconsciously, you will have so many creative ways to entertain yourself, such as recording alone, taking some pictures alone, even discussing with your other self which way to go and which direction to head. Oh, before I forget, I'll give you a sneak peek of my room first. I was at third floor. Right when you open your door, you will be greeted with my beautiful washroom. The door, half of it is made of stained glass like. This is the queen-sized bed. They have a flat screen television and of course that beautiful view of the greenery outside, the window type aircon, and these toiletries and 2 bath towels actually with 1 plain sheet or linen and with your 2 pillows. That concludes our room tour. Don't forget your sun protection. Let's go! On our next video, we'll be visiting Patapat Bridge, also the well-known Cabigan Falls, which you have to trek for around 1.5 kilometers. Please look forward to it and I will see you there. Thank you so much for watching.